going to the DreamCruise today. Going to the car wash. So, I'm getting that ready. She was a little bit dirty and, you know, gotta clean her up before you take her through the cruise and stuff. Had some fun? Yeah? Yeah. Just got something to eat and I gotta get gas. $20 to start this damn car. Alright. So he got his meal. I'm waiting on mine. I'm trying this new chicken nugget or chicken strip things that I've seen. See how that go. But we are pretty much at the cruise. Stop to get gas and going through the cruise. And I'll show some footage of me going through there. We're gonna take one pass, probably park for a minute. Well, it's kind of slow right now, but it's still early. It's only turn this down. It's only 4 o'clock, so yeah, people setting their tents up and stuff, and yeah, just smacking away, looking out the windows. But people are setting up already, so I'm shined up and clean and stuff. Guess who ride? People up here, boy. It's a lot of people. They kept trying to get me to do burnouts, but yeah, you don't know how expensive these damn tires is. I ain't about to go. Look at that. You don't know how expensive these tires is. But yeah, we got a lot of good cars up here and stuff. So I'm just riding with the damn windows up because, first of all, they ticketing people. And I'm recording, so them motherfuckers can't see me and shit. They got cops all out here and shit. But yeah, they got a lot of nice cars up here. There's the glasses. Glasses? Hey, you gotta put them on. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I was trying to find somewhere to park, but man, it is like crowded. Nowhere to park. I'm going around. Mustang. Look at this old classic caddy. I should just ride with him, caddy to caddy. And he got the hat on too to go with the caddy. I want a hat. I need me a caddy hat. And there's a lot of people up here. Roll these windows up. Cops don't see me recording. Okay. Whew. So yeah, it's a lot of people up here now. It is 7:18 and quite a few people up here. You got your stunner shades on? Yeah? Yes. Okay. Like to take this moment, you know, appreciate this. That I'm here to what? Oh, burn. Do a burnout and shake. Okay, y'all clearly seen what that said, but I'm not gonna say it because he in the car with me. Yeah. Do a burnout and I'll shake, you know. Anyway, I'm glad I'm able to enjoy this moment, you know, ride through the cruise in my granddad's car. And dude, I blew at you earlier. Anyway, I'm glad I'm able to bring his car through a DreamCruise. I done it I missed last year because I had to get some things situated, but after I put a lot of customization into this car, I still got a lot of things I want to put before the next cruise. We got another one that can come in another month. So, yeah, I'm gonna go to that one too. But hopefully I'll have some more work because I have recently got this car out the shop, which, man, I had to get a whole brake line assembly because when I changed the brakes on this car last week, I noticed it was leaking. And I looked under there and it was like rusted out. The copper line was rusted. So they had to replace all of that, which was not cheap. And yeah. So, yeah. Damn thing keep going. I gotta adjust this right. My tire pressure sensor thing. They about to do a burnout or something up here. Yeah, they getting ready to do a burnout. They revving. You just said okay. You just going along with it? Oh, he gonna do one. But yeah, I had to have a lot of work done to this car. Brakes all around. I painted the calipers. They not an exact match to the paint code to this car because the stuff I ordered, it wasn't an exact match for this car. So I said, you know what? But they'll make good for calipers. You know, they're a little bit darker, but they'll go good for calipers. You know, they almost the same color of the car, but a little bit darker. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around when I finally stop and show you how it was looking for the cruise. She looking pretty. But yeah, let me get on back to driving. This sun is beaming, but I'm so glad I got these damn tinted ass windows. That sun is blocking these tints is blocking a lot of that. Shoot back there, though. Getting later in the day, DreamCruise. Being a little bit more people in here now. I'm trying to get more people to do some burnouts, but there's too many damn cops around here, so ain't nobody gonna do that. Maybe they do it, they come pulling people over. Okay.
I got my boy driving now. I was like, dog, there ain't nothing this thing can't do when it comes to like putting it to the street.
Nice.
I got a posi unit, Grand National rear end with motion axles, 4L60 transport speed.
Mm-hmm.
I blew up like 350s in it, and then I had like a 307 Chevy out of a Camaro in it, and then I did this on it. But this is the best thing I did right here.
Okay. She clean though. She clean.
Oh look, hey, my man that owns 313 clothing down on Livernois. That's who I bought it from. I paid him $75 for the car, and then I did the LS swap.
Oh man. Okay.
See, I got a computer right here for the ECM, right here on the side panel. Then under the glove
you got it down there, okay.
Then under the glove box, I got it. It's got its own fuse panel. So all the fans come on off the coolant temp sensor. You know what I mean? Off of the two relays here. So all my fans come on and off of the coolant temp. You know what I mean? It only runs about 130 degrees no matter how hot it is out.
Really?
About 130 degrees, that's it. I ain't never seen a temp gauge hotter than that.
I need that in here. This thing read 220.
Hey.
I need to cool this down real quick.
That's 4100, right? Yeah.
The V8 in there.
Yeah.
Damn. I hell the one coming along.
Best thing I ever did to this was swap.
Yeah.
I got remote start, everything.
Glad I was able to bring this mom. What's up? Catch us the cars, man. Huh? Yeah, you want to come look at the cars? Yes. All right, come on. Dancing. Yeah, truck. Yeah. something went out on me. Well, that's something. How? How, Sway? I gotta figure that out. How the hell my damn light go out? Alright, so one of my damn lights went out and burnt out. Oh no, it got cut or something. Probably when it was in the shop. So I had to run a new light now. But yeah, that's everything I've done to it. And I kind of tinted out the headlights and the rear lights. Tinted out those. Came up, put that running bar like I got in my SUV. The rims and stuff. Send on heading back. Them towing cars up here.